Anna, thank you so much for coming. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thanks. How are you doing, Sammy?
I'm doing really, really good. Thank you for asking. So, Nkosana, a lot of the people watching are obviously going to be quite new to trading. Some haven't yet been funded. They want to be in your
Yeah.
position. So it's always really interesting to know how you got into trading. Like, what's your backstory? Where did it all start?
Okay, so oh, it's a long story. It's a long story. So I basically started trading in 2018. I stumbled
Hmm.
upon trading online in 2018. I was just looking for ways to make money online, and it was it was one of those. I just stumbled upon it online, and I found trading, and here I am today. A
Awesome,
few years
awesome.
after, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
quite a few years. How long did it take you for you to start seeing like the results or have that aha moment where you're like, okay,
Oh
I
man,
got
oh
this?
man, oh man. The results actually started to start showing like last year, end of last year.
Hmm.
That's when I really like started seeing I'm now getting consistent with trading.
Yeah,
But for all these other years, I've just been trial and error, failing accounts. Man, it's been a long
yeah.
journey. It's been a long journey. I'll tell
No,
you
absolutely. I mean, every trader can relate to that, right? Like,
that.
there's not a
Yeah,
single trader
yeah.
out there who started trading and just profitable straight from the get go. Anyone who claims that as well, they're probably not being truthful. So,
Yeah, yeah. It is a journey, to be honest. It's a journey. It's a journey.
yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. But look, I mean, if it took you 5, 6 years to get profitable, that's actually not bad. I mean, that's
Mhm.
a lot of people. It could take like 10 years. Like for me, it took like 10 years. So
10 years? Oh man.
you've like doubled it. You like sped run it. So now you're doing
Uh,
really, really well. And to pass a challenge as well. I mean, there's one thing being profitable in your own money. And then there's
yeah,
another thing being
yeah,
profitable on like a prop account. Because a prop account, you have to stick to the rules. You know,
yeah.
if your own
True,
money, you can
true.
kind of be a little bit, you
More
can kind of twist
risky.
it. Exactly. And you can get lucky a
Yeah,
bit more. You might, be in drawdown of 6, 7%. And all right, nothing major is really going to happen, right? But prop
yeah.
account, you can't do that. So you have
You have to
to,
stick to the rules.
exactly. So it shows, like, yeah, you're a proper trader. You actually know what you're doing. It's not just you got a bit lucky and, there you are. So really awesome. I mean, 5, 6 years past a prop account and a 50K account as well. That's quite an achievement as well. Um,
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
um, correct me if I'm wrong, but you have a payout. You're going to be requesting a payout soon of about 3% of your account, so around $1,500. That
That's correct. Yeah,
that's a really good number as well.
yeah.
So I'm sure you're going to be excited to get that payout.
Oh man, I can't wait. This is only the beginning, man. This is only the beginning. Yeah,
That's the right way to look at it. 3% as well is a good target.
yeah,
We see people trying to target 20, 30%. And people have
yeah.
done it, don't get me wrong. Like it is possible. You can do it, but to do that consistently, it's
Hmm.
probably going to you need to have an element of luck on your side.
Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct.
So targeting,
So,
2,
uh,
3% is exactly kind of the right amount that you should be hitting. Yeah. Sorry, you were
yeah,
going to say something.
yeah. So I was saying for me, I was actually like, you know what? I'm just gonna target like just just maybe 2, 3%, and then
Yeah.
secure that first payout. Then really get to like enjoy that first payout. Then from then on, start to look to make more. Yeah.
Absolutely. Enjoy the money as well. This is a lot of things traders don't do. They're
Yeah,
starting out, they're
yeah,
trying to compound to millions of dollars from like a $1,000 investment. And you got to pay yourself, you got to enjoy
yeah,
it. Because the moment you see the money and you actually, I don't know, even if it's something small, you just buy some new shoes or whatever, right?
yeah,
The
yeah,
feeling,
yeah.
knowing trading paid for that, that's a great feeling.
Exactly.
That's going to keep you
That
motivated.
that's exactly what will keep you going forward. Yeah,
Exactly that. Exactly
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
So I want to talk a little bit about your trading style, your strategy, what
Okay.
instruments you trade. So let's kick it off with like, are you a swing trader, intraday, scalper? What kind of trader are you, would you say?
Okay. So I used to be a scalper, but that didn't really work out. for
Yeah.
me. So I went more into intraday trading.
Nice.
That's what's been working for me. And yeah, I trade gold for the most part.
Wow.
And wow, yeah.
Gold.
I love
I'm terrified of gold, man.
I used to be terrified of gold. Then I was like, but what's there to be terrified about? I just need to know how it moves. Then,
Yeah.
yeah. So I trade gold and the Swiss yen
Oh,
and the
okay.
Japanese
Nice.
yen. Yeah.
Nice. So yeah, quite big movers then as well.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. No,
Yeah.
fair play to you. And you're absolutely right. Once you get used to like one instrument, you kind of build like a connection with it. You kind of know how it moves. And even when you're in
Exactly.
a
Yeah.
trade, you kind of get that gut feeling where you're like, I don't know,
This
this
is
doesn't
not,
feel
yeah.
right. Or
Yeah. Yeah.
when you go to a different instrument, you kind of lack that. So absolutely focusing on a few rather than just
Yeah.
trading the whole catalog that's available to you is
Yeah.
generally a better strategy. But some people, to be fair, they trade everything and they do all right. So each to their own. But I'm more on your kind of like focus on one instrument. That works best for me at least as well. So and gold, wow. Gold, I'm not
Yeah.
going to lie to you. I'm terrified
Yeah.
of gold.
Terrified of gold.
I've been burnt too many times with gold. It's just, it wants to do one thing. It tells you, okay, it's going to do this, and then it'll do the exact opposite at the worst possible time. And it's like,
Yeah.
I'm just done. Like,
Yeah, I mean, it's just a matter of like just, getting to know it more, like
yeah,
really, really study the chart all the time. Like put all the other charts to the side and just say, you know what, I'm just gonna do this and see how it goes. Then you'll be
yeah.
fine. You'll be fine.
It's like gold and Bitcoin. Traders who can trade that well. I mean, we have a
Hmm.
coach, Walter, who's all about gold and Bitcoin. He smashes it in the markets with gold and Bitcoin. And
Oh
I just have
man.
so much respect for him because I'm like, those are the two instruments you will not see me touch. Like,
Uh-huh.
but you're absolutely right. Some people, they just, focus so well on one or two instruments like yourself and they just
Yeah,
know how it moves and it works for them. So fair play to you. Fair play.
yeah.
Um,
Thank you.
could you let me know a little bit about your strategy? Share what you're comfortable with, of course.
So what I can say is that basically I trade the break of structure.
Hmm.
Like, the basic high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows.
Yeah.
As soon as the market breaks a certain structure, like especially on the 30-minute, because I enter my trades on the 30-minute chart, price break structure on the 30-minute chart. And I also use a 8 moving average, simple moving average.
Yeah.
So break of structure in confluence with that,
Hmm.
that's how I enter my entries. That's how I
Okay.
enter my entry. Yeah.
So
So
quite,
it's just
quite,
basic.
yeah, quite simple. I was
Yeah,
going to say
yeah,
it's not.
yeah. It's very simple. It's just break of structure. Look at your 8 SMA. Is price trading above that 8 SMA? Is price
Yeah.
breaking the 30-minute structure? And yeah, that's it. But you have
Nice.
to be right on your high time frame analysis. That's the thing.
Right. So you do like a
Yeah,
top down analysis where you
yeah.
start
Top
from.
down.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
Yeah,
absolutely.
from the daily 4 hour, then 30 minutes. I don't go
Nice.
to the other time frames, 15, 5 minutes. Now I'm scared of that.
Especially on gold. Yeah. I don't
Yeah,
blame you, man.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm scared of the lower time frames, man.
Trying to scalp gold is a recipe for disaster. You're going to be so locked in. Like,
Yeah, yeah. You have to be fully focused on the charts. Like, yo, we're really seeing what's going on.
exactly. But that's
Yeah,
nice though. Keeping it simple.
yeah.
Again,
Keep it
something
simple. Keep it
something
simple.
we see. That traders who have like a billion indicators with really complicated strategies, they
Yeah,
just don't seem to perform as well as someone like yourself who just has a really simple strategy. And keeping it simple, naked charts. Not with it's not too much jewelry on the charts. Just you
yeah.
know,
Just
yeah.
easy. Yeah,
Exactly, exactly. And then I'm sure you obviously got very good risk management to back that up. You have your edge, and
yeah,
that's it. You're
yeah,
profitable.
yeah.
Like you don't need much more. Do you know what I mean?
You
That's
don't need much more. I think that's the thing with beginner traders. They think like you really have to like have all these indicators, all the trend lines and stuff like that. And then
yeah,
at the end of the day, you keep confusing yourself.
That's
but
it.
rather you just need to like
Yeah.
keep it simple. And
Truest
yep,
words right
yeah,
there. Absolutely 1,000,000% correct. You just end
yeah,
up confusing yourself because one
yeah.
indicator will tell you to buy, the other one will tell you it's going down, next one will
Mhm.
tell you it's consolidating. You don't know what the hell you're doing.
Exactly. No, you don't know whether to
Yeah.
buy or to sell. You're like, what?
And you just end up going round in circles and you just get frustrated and it never works out in the long term. I mean,
Yeah.
I knew a trader once who, and this is completely true, right? He actually
Yeah.
did all right. This is the funny thing. He did all right. He had a very mathematical strategy. I couldn't tell you what it was because it was just way beyond me. But
Okay.
he used like a protractor and a ruler, like physical protractors, right? And he
What?
would stick them. I'm not even joking.
Oh man.
He
How's
would
that even possible,
he would
man?
literally be like measuring angles and things. And I know you got
Uh-huh.
like tools for it, but yeah, he has like a protractor, and I guess it gives him more like movement. And he would literally measure angles, and then you take little notes down, and then I don't know what he was doing, but he did all right. I mean,
And it was actually profitable?
he said it was. I never looked at like obviously I didn't have. I don't know. I'll take his word for it. He said it was profitable, so I believe him. But yeah, I mean, there's 1,000,001 ways to look at the market, and that's what I found is the reality when it comes to traders. Every trader will say, "Oh, my strategy is the one you need to do." The other trader will say, "No, no, no, that's rubbish. You need to do what I do." And the reality is, you just need a small edge, right? If you have a small edge,
Yeah.
good risk management, you're going to be profitable in the long term. Trader A might
Sure.
be right on this
Sure.
trade, trader B might be wrong, but then on the next trade, trader B might be right with his strategy and trader A might be wrong. But it all balances out in the long term, and that's all that matters. You're here to make money, you're not here to be right 100% of the time.
Exactly.
Take it easy. Why stress yourself?
Why stress yourself? Yeah, just make your money and yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. So, strategy is one side of the equation. Obviously, you got
Hmm.
emotion, psychology. That's probably the hardest part, I would say.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
yeah, that's the main issue right there.
it really is.
Yeah, yeah,
Like, you
yeah.
can have a great strategy, really, really
Mhm.
good win rate, and
Yeah.
you could still not be making money because your psychology is just not there. Especially if you get
Yeah.
into those traps where you start moving your stop loss further and
Hmm.
further away.
Ah,
And
that's a that's that's a doom right there.
yeah,
Setting yourself up for failure right there.
the amount of times I have done that when I was starting out, I
Yeah.
and now I look back and I'm thinking, what did I expect to happen? Do you know what I mean? Like, what was I actually expecting?
Oh
Crazy.
man, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, how did overcome psychology part of trading? Like, how did you just say, all right? Because I'm sure you'd made the same mistakes starting out. Everyone did, right?
Oh yeah, of course,
Yeah.
yeah,
How
definitely,
how did
definitely.
you just put an end to it and say, no, okay, I'm sticking to the rules now?
Okay, so I think it was last year.
Hmm.
Last year, that's when I came across some of. I don't know if you know Mark Douglas. I'm sure you know
Yeah,
Mark
yeah, of
Douglas.
course,
Every trader
yeah.
knows Mark Douglas. Yeah, I came across one of his seminars on YouTube. I was talking about thinking in probabilities and not expecting the specific trade that you're in to be right, and just focus on the um, results after a probability after a number of trades, right?
Yeah,
So that really got me thinking. That really got me thinking at that point. I'm like, okay, so this is how I need to look at the markets. I shouldn't just look at this specific trade and expect it to win, but over a sample size, I will know whether my strategy is okay or not. So from then on, I just set my stop losses, my profit targets, and just told myself after 20 trades, I'll see how it does.
yeah,
And positive outcome, I was like, okay, cool. So this is how I'm supposed to think. That's how I'm gonna do it.
nice.
And yeah.
Do you set your trade stop loss, take profit, and then just walk away, or are you one of the traders who has to stare at the screen?
So usually I put my stop losses and my take profits, then I walk away. Sometimes I
Nice.
don't put my take profits. I just put my stop loss though. Then I'll be just tracking the markets. After maybe a few hours, I check where the price is at. then go back. If it's not shared at my levels, then I just leave it to, do its
Yeah.
thing. Yeah.
See, that's the right way to do it. I
Yeah.
struggled with that, man. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I struggled so hard just to walk away because the problem is you can walk away from the computer, but you always got your phone on you, and you can always check your trade.
You're like, oh, what's going on?
I
Am I in
found
profit
myself
yet?
constantly checking it, and then when I
Yeah.
when I really tried to not check it, I ended up
Yeah.
setting alerts like every 5 pips in my direction,
Okay. Every five.
just so I know it's going my way.
Oh man, you're addicted to the charts, man.
Honestly, I couldn't do it, man. Like I tried to
Uh-huh.
swing trade, I tried to do all that, and then
Yeah.
going to sleep whilst in a trade, forget about it. That was another. I would have nightmares, repetitive dreams of my trade hitting the stop loss, and oh
Oh man.
man. So I just
For
thought,
me,
nah.
for me, for me, it was always like when I go to sleep with the trade on, right? If I don't feel good, like if I sleep and I don't feel too good, like if I'm in a trade, I know the trade is wrong. So
Yeah.
I just have to like close it there and there. Because all the times that have happened when I went to sleep when I was in a trade, losses, man, losses.
Oh, there's nothing worse than waking up and just seeing the loss, and you're like,
Yeah, man.
the whole day you're just peed off, you know?
Yeah, man. First thing in the morning, you see a loss, man. It's just like,
It's bad. It's
goodness.
bad. But again, like that's just the psychology speaking. Do you know what I mean? Because it doesn't matter actually
Yep.
whether you take a loss in the morning, afternoon,
Uh-huh.
nighttime. Does it really matter in the long run? Nah, like you
Nah,
know, it
it
shouldn't
doesn't.
matter,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah. Yeah.
that's just psychology again, and it's overcoming that. That's so
Yeah.
hard, but you've done well. You've clearly you said Mark Douglas obviously was it a seminar or his book? Sorry, a seminar.
Yeah, it was a seminar.
Yeah,
Yeah.
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 And it's good to, especially like even just videos, like watching these podcasts, right? And this is what we find, like our
Yeah.
viewers, it helps them just to hear you're not alone. When you
Yeah.
have every trader has the exact same story, right? Like we
Yeah.
all felt the exact same pain, the exact
Yeah.
same scenarios. Even and at one point we thought, oh, it's just the market's against us, right? Like there's something, I'm cursed. Like
Yeah.
I'm not
Now
even
after me.
exactly. Like I genuinely believed at one point when I started out that I had a curse on me. Like I was genuinely Googling, like
You're
how to
convinced.
remove a
You.
curse. Like
Oh man, yo, yeah.
but of course, like I wasn't cursed. It was just bad psychology or bad strategy, whatever it was, right? But we all go through
Yeah.
the same thing. And
Yeah, everyone does. Everyone does,
yeah.
man. Everyone
But
does, yeah.
and then it's weird because the moment you just that light bulb clicks and you just say, okay, I'm gonna stick to the rules. No more BS. I'm gonna, if my strategy tells me, don't enter at this time. I'm just not going to enter at this time, or whatever it might be, whatever risk management rules you have, how much percent you risk, all that stuff. The moment you start sticking to it, all of a sudden it works, and that's it's like magic, isn't it? And then all of a sudden you 1 month into the future, you look at your P&L and you're in the green, and you're like, oh, that was easy. Like,
Yeah.
why did I find that so hard? It's so obvious now. Like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but we learn from pain, don't we? That's the sad reality. You don't learn from the good times. You learn from the bad times. Like you have to get burnt a few times, and then you realize, okay, I'm not going to do that again. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
fair play. But it is
yeah.
what it is, and hopefully, to the people watching this, just
Mm-hmm.
take our advice on board. Like, it will save you so much time, so much pain, so much, anger. It really is just a reality. Every trader says it, but it goes through one ear, goes out the other, and you just like traders don't take it on board until it happens to them, and then like, okay, yeah, maybe I should have listened.
So that's the thing with people. People really want to like experience it first. They can hear it and be like, "Oh, okay," but like it's like the back of the mind. They're like, "Nah," but I need to try it. I need to see for
Yeah,
myself, type of thing. So,
exactly.
yeah, Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would also say like the other thing that really sort of like helped me to be profitable. I got two jobs. So I got two
Yeah.
jobs. That allowed me not to, be always on the phone, like checking my phone all the time, and not also depending on the trade working, because I
Yes.
had more income coming in. So that's another thing beginner traders need to look into. Get a
Yeah.
job and be
Oh,
trading on the side,
a million
because
percent.
yeah, because
Yeah.
you can't focus solely on the trading money, because
You,
yeah.
you're so right. Like
Yeah.
if you're trying to make like if trading is your only income, but you're not yet consistently profitable, you haven't got a lot of money yet.
Yeah.
Like it magnifies how hard it is to trade by tenfold. Like people always like, I can make money
Yeah.
in a demo account, but as soon as I go on the live account, I can't see, it doesn't seem to work. That's because the
Yeah.
demo, you have no attachment to that money. You know it.
Zero attachment. Yeah, that's the
Like
thing.
whether you blow $1 million in a demo account, it doesn't makes no difference to you, right?
Yeah.
So you could do whatever the hell you want, then all of a sudden it works. And you're right,
Yeah.
man. Like you need to have an income of some kind, like especially if you're starting
Absolutely.
out. Um,
Absolutely.
like I, I mean, luckily I was never really in that position, but there were a few times where money was a bit tight, and I saw trading as a way of like, oh, okay, this could help me out. This could make me lots of money quite quick, and it never worked out. Like I just made my situation worse essentially. You need to have some kind of income. Because then, as long as you're genuinely willing to lose that money, and you have no attachment to it, then it starts working again. So, or you can join a prop firm. Prop firms are therefore pretty decent in that respect as well, because it is an underfunding problem a lot of people have, right? Like if you have $500, $1,000 to trade with, okay, not bad. But realistically speaking, if you're targeting, if say you make 5% on $1,000, right? What is that? $50?
Yes.
Who's
It's
who's
not
gonna be
much.
happy? You know what I mean? Who's gonna be at the end of the month and say I made $50? Oh, I'm happy with that. Of course, no one's going to be happy with that, right? Like it's just not
Yeah.
enough, right? It's not going to
Yeah.
make any impact in your life. So
Yeah.
what do people do? They say, okay, well, if I entered with, 7 lots, I would have made
Yeah.
$500. And that's what they do. They take way too much risk and eventually, or, they lose it all. So yeah, have a job. And if you don't have much money or capital to invest, um, a prop firm is really the only route. Yeah, because then 5% on like look, you made 3% on 50K. That's $1,500. Who's not happy with $1,500? Who can honestly say no, I wouldn't be happy with making an extra $1,500? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
For
that's only
sure. For sure.
50K.
For sure.
When
Mm-hmm.
and I'm sure you're going to be looking at getting bigger accounts, right?
Yeah.
So when you get
Absolutely.
100K,
Absolutely.
then it'll be 3 grand, the equivalent. When you get, 200K, it'll be 6 grand and so forth. Like
Yeah.
it's just a numbers game.
It's a
So,
numbers game. Yeah. It's a numbers game. It's a numbers game. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
so we spoke a little bit about like your trading, your strategy, stuff like that.
Yeah.
I want to move it on very quickly to Ola Prime itself. How's
Okay.
your experience been with us so far?
My experience so far with Hola Prime has been fantastic. I really love the customer service. Guys are really on point, very fast. Um, I like, I just like everything about Hola Prime. I like, no, the number one thing that I love the most is the 1 hour payouts. I can't wait for that.
Yeah,
I cannot wait for that.
it's
Yeah,
funny.
and also the transparency. Yeah, I
Yeah,
really like that. I really like that. That's
absolutely,
most
absolutely.
transparent prop firm I've worked
That's
with.
that's exactly
Yeah,
what we try, and
yeah.
it's funny. All traders like the 1 hour payouts the best.
Yeah, we need the money, man.
Yeah,
We need the money.
it
We
doesn't
need the
matter.
money.
We could do any. We could release new features. Doesn't matter. The 1 hour payouts. Everyone's like, yeah, that's the one, man. Like
That's
that's
the
my
main
favorite
thing right
feature.
there. Yeah, man.
But I get it, of course. Like one who doesn't want their payout quick. The worst thing is like, excuse me.
Yeah.
Worst thing is if you request a payout. takes like a week to come. You're just
Hmm.
sitting around for a week. Like time is money as a trader. Do you know what I mean? And
Yeah, yeah.
you don't want to sit around doing nothing. So yeah, if you get your money quick, at the end of the day, once you've made it and you request that payout, that's your money. Like whether it comes to you in an hour, a day, like it doesn't matter how long that time frame is, right? Like it's your money, so why not get it in an hour? Do you know what I mean? It's silly to make people wait days or weeks. Just give it to them when they need it. That's just part of the deal, right?
Yeah.
Like it's like a job, if your job says like we pay you the end of the month and then it comes at the
Mhm.
end of the month and you don't get your money,
There's
like
nothing. Yeah,
you're
that's kind
still
of
going to get your money eventually, obviously, but like why are you delaying it? Just pay the person now.
Just give me the money. Just give me the money already.
So yeah,
Yeah.
but it's good, and I'm glad that you like the support. Yeah, they're pretty awesome, all in house as well. We do it so
Okay.
24/7 round the clock. There's always people in the office typing away on their headsets, all that stuff. they do
Oh
a they
man.
do a they do a very good job. So hats off
Uh,
to them, to everyone in the support team. You the guys are doing phenomenal work. But awesome. What is the future for you? We only got a few more questions, so I guess yeah, what is the future? Are you looking to get more accounts? Are you looking to scale this current account? What's the plan?
I definitely will be looking into getting more accounts and obviously scaling this one that I have. That's my baby because that's the one that's gonna, build me to bigger things. So I'm
Absolutely.
gonna keep that and get more accounts and yeah, I'm going to be with you guys for a while. Yeah.
Good, good. We hope you
Yeah.
are because
Yeah.
we want traders like yourself, right? Like we're
Yeah.
not impressed when someone does like 40% on in a month. Like, all right, don't get me wrong, we're a little bit impressed. Like, all right, that's pretty decent, but in the long term, we know that that's not sustainable. We're traders. We know that you probably risked a little bit too much. You over traded. You got lucky, but if you're doing 40%,
It's
you're
too
not.
much risk.
Yeah, you're
Too much
risking
risk.
too
Yeah.
much, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
great as that is, 40%, when we see a trader who's does 3-4% a month, and they do that month one, month two, month three, month four, and just keep doing that consistently. That
Yeah.
is something we can measure, right? That is
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
know what your trade value is in the future, right? Because you're consistent. You're not
Yeah.
randomly doing 40% and then -10 and then it's nice and like it's
It's
measurable,
consistent.
trackable.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's
Yeah.
exactly
Yeah.
the type
Yeah.
of traders that we really want, right? It's not always about short-term gains, it's about the long-term consistency, the long-term game, right? So we really hope that you stick with us. Keep doing what you're doing because you're doing fantastic. Don't
Thank
don't
you.
change
Thank you.
anything.
Thank you. I will not do that. I will not. I'll stick to the plan.
Good, good. That's what we want to hear. And yeah, definitely target more amount, scale, get more challenges, more accounts. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Like you could scale all the way up to 4 million.
Oh man.
Will take some
Wow.
time. I'm not gonna, probably take a few years to do, but
Yeah.
again, along that journey, you'll be making money, and it'll grow as your account scales or as you get more accounts as well. So, you,
Okay.
you know, there's no rush. One day that Lamborghini will be there. As they all say.
Yeah. It'll definitely be there, man.
So that's awesome. Last question.
Yeah.
Obviously, like I said, a lot of people watching are going to be beginners. They're going to, they wish that they were sitting right here. Well, sitting where you are sitting,
Yeah.
in your position.
Yeah.
What kind of advice would you give to someone watching right now who's struggling?
Uh, my advice to the beginner trader would be to just just keep going. Um, do not focus on other people's journeys. Don't be on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube watching these traders who've already made it, give you pressure. do not allow that to happen to you guys. Just cut it all off. Just focus on your journey. Keep going. It's a long journey, but you just have to keep going. And man, there'll be light at the end of the tunnel. Just have to keep going. Just focus on
Very good.
yourself. Yeah.
Very true. Very true. Yeah. Never compare yourself with people who are, 5, 10 years ahead of you.
Yeah.
You can't compare. It's like going to the gym and seeing a bodybuilder and looking at yourself and like, I'm
Like, oh man.
of course, like this guy's been working out for 10 years straight. Like,
what do you expect? So yeah, just need to focus on your own journey and just keep going. Don't overcomplicate your trading. Just keep it simple, and you'll be good. You'll be good.
definitely,
Get prop
definitely.
firms. Get prop firms. If you don't
Yep.
have a job, get prop firms. Try on them, and yep, you'll be good to go.
That's it. Take your time. Take it
Yeah,
easy. Don't overcomplicate it. And it will
yeah,
just start working. It will start clicking. But
yeah.
Nkosana, honestly, it's been a real pleasure talking to you. It's been a good
Ah,
laugh, and you shared some
yeah.
really good stuff. So thank you so much for coming on. And I'm sure in the future, as you get more accounts and more payouts, and as you start growing, we'll
Yeah.
do more of these. And yeah, keep us updated of everything. It'll be awesome. See your journey. But thank you again so much for coming on. It's been a pleasure.
Okay. Thank you, man. It was
Thank you.
nice talking to you, man.
Yeah, it's been really good. Thank you.
Yeah. All right.
And
Thank you, man.
to all the viewers, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and if you would like to see more interviews with our funded traders, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on channel notifications, leave a comment, share it with your friends, do all that good stuff. Essentially, just click every button you see down below. That kind of does everything we need. But if you look in the description, you'll see a Discord button as well. Go ahead, click that. You'll be invited to our Discord server. It's completely free to join. And we got exclusive competitions there, live AMA sessions with our coaches, the community sharing trade ideas. There's a lot of good stuff on there. And generally speaking, we find that, for the beginner trader, it's very useful. So go ahead, click that link, join. It's completely free, and you'll be happy you did. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Nkosana, for coming on and speaking with me today. And we'll see you again
Thank you.
very soon. Take care, guys. Thank you.
Hola Prime, trade with transparency.